Well, the Delhi Congress is now staging protests against the BJP at the Rajiv Bhavan over the Pegasus Snoopgate row. Anuj is reporting on this. Anuj, we have seen the Congress party really put the government on the mat on this particular issue. Now, we are seeing protests against the BJP as well.
Oh, well, exactly. Right now, I'm reporting from the DTU Marg. These are the DPCC workers, along with the president of DPCC.
These are the DPCC workers, along with the president of DPCC, that's Anil Chaudhary, who is protesting at this point in time just near to Bharatiya Janata Party office. So these are the visuals coming in from DDU Marg of the national capital, and there you can clearly see in the picture. Let me give you the sense what exactly is happening. Few minutes back they were on to the barricades. Rather, the protest is about to end now. So these are the visuals coming in from the DDU Marg, and let me also go ahead and give you the picture of DPCC President Anil, who at this point in time is continuously protesting against the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have seen the same kind of visuals from coming in from the Parliament also, where the uproar was seen yesterday also, and today also that both the houses was adjourned in the very first hour of its starting. So at this point in time, these are the live images coming in from DDU Marg. Let me ask my video journalist to give you the sense. This is the president there, Anil Chaudhary, who at this point in time is interacting with media, and there you can clearly see the visuals. They are having placards in their hand, and this is written इस्तीफा डरपोक मोदी राहुल गांधी से डरता है, छुप छुप कर जासूसी करता है. So this is on to the Pegasus. राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के साथ खिलवाड़ करने वाला मोदी शाह इस्तीफा दो. So this is the demand of the people and the workers of DPCC, who at this point in time is protesting at DDU Marg. And there I'll ask my video journalist to give you a 360 view also from the DDU Marg. We are just next to the Bharatiya Janata Party office in the national capital. So started from Rajiv Bhavan, which is DPCC office in the national capital. Now have reached to Bharatiya Janata Party, where the barricading has been already done. Let me also give you the sense of the security and the police bandobast which has been done. The security has been already tightened so that no miscreancy should happen, and the protesters were stopped at this very barricade just next to the Bharatiya Janata Party office in the national capital. That's the main office of Bharatiya Janata Party. We will try and talk to some of the people over here, that what exactly their demands are and what are they protesting for. Sir, कहाँ से आप लोगों की क्या-क्या डिमांड है?
जी, जो देश में झूठ बोला जा रहा है, जुमला हो रहा है, और जो जासूसी हो रही है, आज मतलब लोकतंत्र की बिल्कुल हत्या हो चुकी है. उसके बारे में हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि मतलब कि एक गांधी परिवार इतना बड़ा आज तक, जो मतलब कि देश को 70 सालों से बलिदान दिया, उन्होंने शहादत दी है, उनके ऊपर मतलब इतनी बड़ी कार्रवाई हो रही है कि मतलब ये जैसे अंग्रेजों के टाइम में होता था, जो आज ये कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि हमने आज तक नहीं देखा था कि मतलब इतनी चीजें, फोन टेपिंग, कि आदमी अपनी बात भी नहीं कर सकता किसी से, तो फिर फायदा क्या है इससे बड़ा कोई.
These are the voices coming in from the ground, and their protest is regarding the which has been. This is exactly the visuals that we are getting in from Marg. These are the DPC
Protesting against Bharatiya Janata Party. Pegasus is the subject what they have taken. We have seen the same in the houses also, whether being it the upper house, whether being it the lower house. Since yesterday the monsoon session started.
Right, Anuj, of course, the Congress party has worked out a strategy as well as to how to corner the government in Parliament, because Parliament, of course, has been adjourned again. We have seen the Lok Sabha being adjourned earlier. So the Congress strategizing on how to corner the government on this.